I'm going to show you how to export audio from Maschine to LogicX. I got a couple cents already laid down. I'm going to make a quick beat and export the audio to Logic. Here we go. Alright, there's the beat. So you click on this icon, hold down, drag, and drop into Logic. I'm going to hit Command R to repeat it. Alright. I'm going to create another pattern and export that. Alright, so I added a snare. We're going to export that. Just drag and drop, as easy as that. Command R to repeat. We're going to mute the machine. That way it doesn't double play. And here we go. That's how to export audio from Maschine to LogicX. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks.